101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. As usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m., we have a special program with BPEC, Benteng Panynyua English Club, with Smart FM, namely Smart Up Your Life English Discussion. And of course, week per week, week by week, every week, we have a special topic include this evening. And okay, before we are going to talk about our topic this evening, I wanna say hello to our friends this evening. Hi guys.
Hello,
Hi. Welcome to our second home. Anyway, you guys from BPEC, right? Benteng Panynyua English Club. While we waiting our friends and we go running live, of course, here. And before we are going to talk about our special topic this evening, I want to ask you to introduce yourself and, of course, BPC itself. What is BPC itself? Okay, I start from you, Miss. Okay, come on.
Introduce myself first?
Yes.
Okay, 10 years and I'm committee of BPEC.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
What year?
Yes.
What year?
2002, 20 and 22 and 2023.
Okay, how can we call you?
Tenri.
Tenri.
Yes.
Hi, Tenri.
Okay, hi.
Good evening.
Yes.
Okay, what about you? Please
Yes.
introduce yourself to smart viewers and listener at home.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, my full name is Abdul Wahid Pamukas. You can call me Wahid. I come from Minasa and I study in Muhammadiyah University of Makassar.
Okay. What about your committee at BPEC?
I'm committee in BPEC Makassar for 2022 until 2023.
Okay. Anyway, guys. Okay, Tenri. I point at you to explain what is BPEC itself.
Okay, smart listener. BPEC is an acronym for Benteng Panynyua English Club, and BPEC also is one of the oldest community in Makassar, of course. Yeah, and BPEC, because it's English club, we have also discussed, learn and debates about English.
Yeah,
and also BPEC has a favorite activity. Favorite activity, BPEC is Lovely Sunday Meeting.
Lovely Sunday Meeting.
Yes, Lovely Sunday Meeting. Yeah, Lovely Sunday Meeting of BPEC is conducted every Sunday, start from 10 until 2 p.m. at Building J, Fort Rotterdam. And also, and BPEC has 6 items, of course. And the first item is Who Am I?
Yeah.
If you are the first time coming there, you have to introduce yourself.
Okay.
And the second, so we have also ice breaking. So ice breaking is break the ice and break the crowd from new participant over there. And after we have ice breaking, we have also D&D, discussion and debate. Discussion with certain topic and also this debating with new lesson related the paper.
Okay.
And after D&D, we have also
D&D, you know, D&D, it sounds like do not disturb. D&D.
Yeah.
Okay, continue.
And after D&D, we have building skill.
Yeah.
For increase your knowledge, you can increase your knowledge about English.
Yeah.
And after that, we have also entertainment show. Entertainment show is if you have talent or skill like dance or stand-up comedy, you can come forward and show your skill. And the last is announcements. If you are representative, yes, some from some organization you have and you have celebration or party, you can tell us your information.
Okay.
Yeah. It's all of our item.
Okay.
In Benteng punya in Lovely Sunday Meeting of BPEC.
Okay. Do you have any addition about BPEC itself?
It's free.
It's free
No
of charge. Okay. Just persuade smart viewers and listeners at home to come and join with BPEC.
Yeah, you can come in our lovely Sunday making every Sunday, 10 p.m. until 2 p.m. 10 a.m. until 2 p.m.
And free of charge. Just come every Sunday at 10, until 2 p.m., right? Okay, guys. Okay. Let's we talk about our topic discussion, of course, this evening. And we do hope our friends, of course, join with us while we running discussion. And as we know that Indonesia is the most beautiful country, and our country is God blessing from God, because our country is very fertile. And not only that, beside the frequently, oh my God, this is actually so sad, but even though we have to thanks to God, because Indonesia is the completely paradise in the world. But beside that, Indonesia also always got frequently damage. Yeah, of course. And BNPB, Badan Nasional Penanggulangan Bencana, all the year, January until 2nd November, that's as I read on article that all the year Indonesia got about 3,000 natural disaster. Oh my God, we are sorry to hear that. And of course, this is a very relate with our location between two ocean, biggest ocean, Pacific and Atlantic, and also biggest continents like Australia and Asia. And of course, Ring of Fire. Ring of Fire, very sensitive, actually, like explosion of mountain, right? Yes, Gunung Berapi, something like that. And this is our topic is very related this evening with our opening teaching that Indonesia is always got many disaster. And our topic this evening is natural disaster. Are you ready, guys? Okay, ready. Anyway, I want to ask for the first speaker, Wahid.
Yes, go.
How do you think about our topic this evening?
Yeah,
Bencana alam, natural disaster.
Natural disaster, yeah, it's disaster itself, like flood, volcanic or earthquake, or something like that. Yeah, and we know Indonesia, Indonesia is between Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean and two continents, Australia and in Asia Ocean.
Is it interest, dilemma, or so sad to hear and discussing about this topic?
It's, I think no. Because
is it interesting?
Yeah, it's interesting.
Okay, is it interesting? Yes. So, how do you think our location, like Sulawesi Selatan, about natural disaster? Are we got many natural disaster all the year?
Yeah, as I know, like flooding, like in maybe in each day, like Jeneponto, or Goa, Takala. Yeah, many places in South Sulawesi, like juga also like longsor.
Landslide.
Yeah,
landslide.
Landslide.
Yeah, landslide.
I think
Okay.
Yeah, we have to like check.
Okay, keep your statement. I want to move to Tenri. Okay, but before we move to Tenri, okay, come on, Achang, come join directly. Okay, just sit down behind Wahid. Okay, hello Achang. Okay, long time to see. Okay, oh my God, you get a traffic on the street?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my God. What about rain?
Yeah.
You got also?
I got it rain also.
Oh, okay. Where have you been?
My home.
No. I mean, where have you been?
Yes.
Where are you? I mean, like.
From campus.
A campus.
Yeah.
Okay. Start from campus and going here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Welcome. But before we continue our conversation. I want to move to Tenri first for the second speaker this evening. Anyway, how do you think about our topic this evening?
Yeah, our topic this evening is natural disaster. So it's a very
It's grim or
yes.
dilemma, empathy, interesting or
yeah, maybe
challenging.
interesting and empathy because it's now raining session that because it's raining session, so it's all of the government already change or not change, but what repaired our drainage. So it's make our traffic in the way. So when I come to here, it's the way it's already all of no, I mean the government is already fixed the drain. So yeah, it's make our way traffic.
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah. Yeah. So
how do you feel when you hear about disaster? Disaster.
Yeah, it's make our environmental the max. Yeah, so because it's like the flood, earthquake, or a tsunami. It's a very big disaster, and it's from a natural disaster. But yeah, but a flood, we it's maybe 50-50. It's from natural or non-natural disaster.
Yeah. You want to say that it come from human being also?
Yes, also.
Because unawareness,
Yes.
Ketidaksadaran to keep the environment, like they just throw the rubbish.
Yes.
Yeah, just throw. They not put ideal, right? Okay. But anyway, where are you from? Your village?
Makassar, but
no. Your village.
Oh, my village.
Baru?
Actually, what?
Baru.
No.
Where?
I have to explain it.
Yes. No, just mention it. You don't need to explain. Just mention it. I come from Sengkang. Just it.
Yes, my mother from Bulukumba. Yes, it's because I always come when I spend my holiday to Bulukumba.
No. What about you? You're from Bulukumba also?
No. I stay in Makassar 20 years.
You move?
No, move. But I'm already
here.
Yeah, live
since
in Makassar.
You was born?
No, born. It's so complicated for explaining.
Okay. You are originally from Bulukumba. Your village is from Bulukumba, right?
My mother is not me.
What about you? I asked you about the geography because this is very related with a natural disaster. Yes. I want to mapping that the region, the geography. Okay, this is from minute. This is a very sensitive with floods. I just asked about it.
I'm from Makassar actually.
Oh, Makassar.
Yeah, yes, Makassar.
Oh, that's why you always mention about floods. Okay, fix it. Okay, we will continue then. Okay, I'm gonna move to Achang. Hi, Achang.
Hi, Ka.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Baru.
Yeah. Oh, to Baru to Ugi. Okay, how do you think about our topic this evening, natural disaster?
Exactly, that is the interest topic because we have to put awareness for a disaster, right? Because you cannot deny that disaster not only from nature but also from human, like you say, like we talked before, like if you like littering away, kayak buang sampah sembarangan or something like that, it is from human, right? Or cutting tree and it will be destroy our forests, and yeah, it's very very bad to begin with. That's so I think that we have to explain deep explanation about this natural disaster because sometimes for the certain people they don't aware about our natural, they only do what they want, but then they don't consider what kind of impact it would be happen not only for them, but it is also impact for us, right?
Yeah.
So that's why I think it is very bad.
Do you have an experience in the past time that you face directly the natural disaster on your village, like baru?
Yeah, I think the basic or usually is flood, banjir, right?
Okay.
It is the we cannot deny that all of the region have if ever feel that, right? I'm like if ever happen in.
How old are you when you face that was happen? But keep your statement. We will be right back after this station on Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia.